Hey y'all, how's it going? So, I've been kind of away from YouTube for a while, and it's mostly because I just got a full-time day job and I'm going to school at night, so I've been extremely busy. So, now that I have some time today, I thought I'd shoot an EDC update for y'all. Plus, it's the new year, new month, January. Almost February, but hey, it's still January. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. As always, got my G-Shock. Same G-Shock I've been rocking for a while now. Love it. Always got some paracord on me. Bandana. Wallet. Pack of gum. Nothing new. Just the old boring stuff. Let's see. We got my keys. Haven't really changed too much. Same setup, same crap on here as usual. I traded out the that little Leatherman for my Sat Classic. I just keep going back to this. I mean, this thing has come in handy way more than that Leatherman did. So, and another video I'll tell you exactly why I switched off my keys. I'm not ever carrying it again. Rape whistle's on here now, and the rest of the stuff is the same. So I got the fire steel and the light. It's all the same, basic stuff. Always rocking my little gold dollar. My cloth to clean my phone and blades with. By the way, my phone is an iPhone 4, still the same phone. I've had it for over a year. It's working great. Not planning to get rid of it anytime soon. Been rocking my Zippos every day. Got that awesome butane insert, and it just works like a charm. Always, pretty much every single day in my pocket is always standard. It's gonna be my 4.7's cork, mini 1, 2, 3, and it's just so small and compact. Why not carry it? And occasionally I'll throw in a clicky light with it, just so if I need quick access to light and I only have one hand free, I can easily turn my light on. Not either be my Preon 2 or even my MicroStream. And more than likely it's gonna be my MicroStream because it's small. Next up we have always in my pocket my Victorinox Cadet. Very slim, lightweight, comes in handy very often. And this little camo pouch case thing my sister made for me. It's pretty cool. I've been carrying in that. So, it's pretty sweet. On my belt every single day since I got it, since Christmas, it's been my Leatherman Wave. This thing's awesome, guys. I mean, it has everything you could ever need in a multi-tool on it. I love this thing. It will get the job done. I love it. Also in the case has a few extra bits on it. And I've been carrying my Fisher Space Pen in the little elastic side thingy. But it fits there real nice. but I love this thing. Always on my belt. And the thing is, because it's on my belt, I forget it's there, so it's awesome. Oh, another thing. I've been carrying my chapstick a lot lately because it's kind of cooler weather here in Florida. So, this does come in handy pretty often. For a primary blade lately, I've been rocking my new Spyderco Super Leaf. Got this for Christmas. Been trying to carry it kind of often. If it's not this, it'll obviously be my paramilitary too. But review of this coming soon, guys. Very soon. And if I'm carrying the Super Leaf, I'll carry my Sage with it. Love my Sage 1. Hopefully getting a Sage 2 pretty soon. But yeah, this is basically, what I've been carrying lately. Again, review coming of the Super Leaf. And hopefully be cranking out more videos when I find the time. I mean, I'm just, busy. Anyways, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a nice day, and take it easy and stay sharp. Thanks, guys.